For number 9, we have exponential function. So dx d over dx times 8 to the u. So 8 to the u ln a du over dx. So for example, we have dx 5 to the 7x. So your e is 5 and your u is 7x. So use the formula a to the u. So ay mong a kay 5, u 7, 7x. So ln a, ln 5 because your a is 5 times the derivative of your u, which is 7. So 7 times 5 is equals to 35, 7x ln 5. So this is our final answer for number 9. For number 10, we also have exponential function. So d over dx 8 to the u is equals to a to the u times derivative of your u over dx. So for example, we have e to the 7x. So use the formula. Your u is 7x. So the derivative of that is 7. So e to the u, e 7x times the derivative of your u, which is 7. So e of 7e raised to the 7x. So that this is our final answer. For number 11, we have a logarithmic function. So d over dx log u the base of 8. So log 8 e times the derivative of your u all over your u. So for example, we have log cosine to the base of 8 2x squared plus 3x. So first you need to find your u. Your u is this one, cos x squared plus 3x. Derivative of that is the derivative of cosine u. This is cosine u. Negative sine u du. So negative sine your u, which is x squared plus 3x, times the derivative of your u, which is 2x plus 3. So negative sine times the negative sine 2x, ang negative 2x plus 3 sine x squared plus 3x. So use the formula log 8 e du. Your du is 2x plus 3 sine x squared plus 3 all over your u. Your u is cosine x squared plus 3x. So this is our final answer. So for number 12, d over dx log 10u is equals to log 10e times the derivative of your u all over u. So for example, we have log 10 cosine 2 for theta. So your u is cos 2 for theta. So the derivative is 2 cosine 4 theta minus sine 4 theta times the derivative of your u, which is 4. So use the formula 2 cos the derivative of your u. So 2 cos 4 theta minus sine 4 times 4 all over your u. So your u is cos 2 4 theta times the log 10e. So log 10e minus 8 sine 4 theta. So makancel man ni siya, di ba? Kaning cos cancel nga. 4 times 2, so 8. 4 theta all over cos 4 theta your u. So or log 10e minus 8 tangent 4 theta. So that is our final answer. And for number 13, d over dx ln u is equals to the derivative of your u over your u. So example, we have ln 2x minus 3. So this is your u. So your u is 2x minus 3. Derivative of that is 2. So use the formula du over u. So your u is 2x, du 2. So du, derivative of your u is 2 all over your u. So 2x minus 3. So that is our final answer for number 13. For number 14 to 19, we have a derivative of a trigonometric function. So for example, number 14, d over dx sine u. So that is equals to cos u times the derivative of your u. So for example, we have sine 5x. So find your u. Your u is 5x, derivative. So use the formula cos u du. So cos u du. So our final answer is this one, 5 cosine times 5x. So for number 15, cosine u. So the derivative of that is negative sine u du. So for example, we have d over dx times cosine x cube. So your u x cube du 3x squared. So use the formula negative sine u du. So negative sine your u x cube times the derivative of your u. So 3x squared. So that is our final answer. Negative sine negative 3x squared sine x cube. So for number 16, d over dx times tangent u. So the derivative of that is secant squared u du over dx. So for example, we have tangent sine 4x. So find your u. Your u is sine 4x. So remember the derivative of your sine, this is sine u. So the derivative of your sine u is cosine u du. From this formula, sine u, cosine u du. So derivative of sine 4x is cosine 4x times the derivative of this is 4. So this is our derivative of u, 4 cosine 4x. So use the formula secant squared u du. So secant squared, your u is sine 4x times derivative of your u, which is 4 cosine 4x. So this is our final answer. 4 cosine times 4x secant squared sine 4x. So for number 17, we have dx d over dx times cotangent u. The derivative of that is the negative of cosecant squared u du. So for example, we have cotangent raised to the power of 4 times sine x cube. So di man ta, excuse me, so di man ta kalaguan nag gamit sa formula, no, kay ang diri kay cotangent u ra man ni single ra man ni kani kay naka-raise og power of 4 man ni. So aton sa nang i-rewrite, magkuhan ta atong n power nu raised to the power of n minus 1. So may ngani na siya kung i-rewrite. So ato na pong pangitaon ang u ani. So u sin x cube mo ni ang atong u. Ang derivative ana kay 3x squared cosine x cube. So muna ang derivative. So atong gamitan na ani nga formula. Kay magamit naman nato cot u naman cotangent u. So cosecant no, negative cosecant. So negative cosecant squared times your u. Your u is sin x cube. Sin x cube times the derivative of your u, which is 3x squared cosine x cube. So ang negative ato na times 3. So mahiman na nga ni. So ato tong i-apply ang n power rule na muna ni. So 4 cotangent sin x cube raised to the power of 3 kay n minus 1 times sa atong kani mama ni 3x squared cosine times x cube cosecant squared times sin x cube. So 4 times negative 3x squared. So 12x squared cosine x cube cosecant squared times sin x cube times cotangent sin x cube raised to the power of 3. So this is our final answer. So for number 18, so we have d over dx times secant u. So the derivative of that is secant u tangent u times the derivative of your u. For example, we have d over dx secant x squared. So your u is x squared, derivative is 2x. So use the formula. Secant u, this is your u, tangent u times the derivative. So this is our final answer. And for number 19, we have d over dx times cosecant u is equals to negative cosecant u cotangent u. So for example, we have cosecant 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. So your u is this one, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Derivative of that is 6x plus 2. So use the formula. This is the formula. So negative cosecant u, your u, your cotangent u, this is u, times the derivative of your u, which is 6x plus 2. So transpose the negative sign. So this is our final answer.